run from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride, I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Good morning, good afternoon, good day. I just want to say, have a blessed evening. Okay. Oh, good night. Yeah, I forgot the time. Anyway, yes, this is a trip going to Connecticut. Jamaican talk, Connecticut. You know what I mean? This is a trip going to Connecticut. I mean, from Montreal. You know, you guys may be wondering, why am I doing so much loads from Montreal? It pay more. Yeah. That's all I work. I just work for money, and I don't work for fun. Sorry, I don't work for fun. Because I have some video coming up which I want to talk to you guys about. But before I talk about those videos, I want to set an example first. I can't talk about video and not doing what I'm preaching, right? So things are in place. Yeah, I'm all suited out. Cause most of this place, you gotta make sure you're in the proper gears, or else. Okay. Yeah, and if you're not following me on Instagram already, you guys are missing out. Okay, you guys are missing out because my stories are something to talk about. My other followers can tell you, I talk about everything. I talk about everything. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Anyway, you should follow me on all social media. Try stars everywhere. Anyway, in this video, oh, I already said it. Okay, I'm just gonna drive along, enter across the border, try to enter in Connecticut tonight. I got 9 hours on my clock. Hopefully I can get there. So I want to tell everyone, thanks for tuning in. My new subscribers, thanks for being here. And all my I got some subscribers that is sharing my video. I saw you guys. I saw, because I can see everything on my YouTube. You know, I checked. I see who I know. So I'm gonna give you guys a shout out one of these days. I'm gonna put everything together. You know what I mean? When I'm in my red chair. Anyway, okay, I got some subscribers information to deal with, like some question that you guys had asked, and I should put a video together. Don't worry, the video is, you know, I'm trying to put everything on papers now to make sure I got it right, so that I can fulfill and answer all the questions that was asked, and answer it to the best of my ability, so that you guys can feel pleased with your answers. Anyway, that's it for now. We're gonna start the journey, and you know, try stars. Peace, respect. I'm gonna leave. Anyway, try stars trucking. Peace out. You don't know the Jamaican youth living in Canada. I'll go and try to go across the border in the US the one then. You know what I mean? Try make two ends meet. You don't know one tree. Big up on yourself, everybody. Peace out. YouTube, TriStars, chucking. Yeah, and I'm in Connecticut. You know, I just arrived. Last night was pretty dark, so I wasn't gonna flame through the night, and then my hours were limited because it took a while for me to get my ACE, and the ACE is actually the paperwork that I use to go across the border, and that would get done by the brokerage that, you know, where the loads come from. They're the one that prepare the ACE and all that, along with dispatch information back and forth to get everything straight, so that at the customs could know exactly what's going on, right? I take forever to get that, so my time hold up at the border, at the truck stop close to the border, so I couldn't go across. So I actually run out of hours. By the time I get the ACE ready, I only got 2 hours leave to drive in the States. So I just run to the nearest truck stop, and then I get up in the morning, and then I came to delivery. So that is my reason why I wasn't woke up here first thing. Okay, so I'm on to my next pickup. You know, I'm on to my next pickup. Same place here in Connecticut. In the morning to go back to Toronto. So basically I'm just waiting on my text message from dispatch to tell me where exactly is that address, so I could go close by or look at my Google Maps, you know, to see if the location is somewhere where I can park. If not, I look for the closest truck stop to that location and go there. So I'm just sitting back, relaxing and waiting. But, you know, I just tuning in with you guys just to, you know, information, of course, and also to say big up, respect for watching my videos, and thanks for tuning in. TriStars, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.
more videos like this, please subscribe.